Hello YouTube, I'm Musikev, and welcome to Zelda Month. I've been uploading one video a day on either this channel or my other one. At this point, I've done 5 top 10s on my Musikev Plays channel, and this is the first of 2 in-depth discussion series of the musical top 10s, being musical characters in Zelda games. My 7th favorite musical character in Zelda games was Manbo from Link's Awakening. In Link's Awakening, Link finds himself shipwrecked on an island. He is rescued by Marin, a girl who sings a song meant to awaken the windfish. But waking the windfish would cause the island to no longer exist. That's why she doesn't win. Her whole thing is to make herself no longer exist. The other possible musical character, Mamu, has a trio that he sings with. And I'll be honest, the limitations of the Game Boy Color system really hurt his musical skill. Manbo himself is a sunfish, a fish that is about as long as I am tall. That's 5 foot 7 3/4 inches. And over 10 times my weight, less than 200 pounds. In comparing him to the elf boy Link, Manbo is the correct size, if not slightly bigger. Some people think that Kine is Manbo in the Kirby world, but I'm relatively sure that's a completely different fish. Maybe that's his famous father. Honestly, him considering his resort a small pond is the weirdest thing about him. I mean, he could barely even fit in that pond. Anyway, his song isn't super useful, but it is the best sounding. Manbo's Mambo either warps you right outside Crazy Tracy's place. She gives you an auto-revive potion, so I guess if you forget where she is and need an easy way back, that helps. But inside dungeons, the song sends you back to the entrance, but I think it also resets the dungeon, so you can't really use it for certain puzzles. Rather than talk about the utility of the song, let's talk about the idea of Mambo. Hey, this is an educational channel. What do you expect? Mambo is a musical genre and dance style from Cuba. It's a contributing genre to salsa, and one of its subgenres is the cha-cha-cha, which Mambo himself references as he tells you about the song effects. Mambo usually is done in a big band arrangement using trumpets and saxophones to accent the beat, along with the percussion section. The rhythms are normally syncopated, occurring on the offbeats, and the tempo is a fast one. Listening to Manbo's Mambo, this is evident in his song as well. Alright, you caught me. The real thing that makes Manbo so endearing is his eye roll with the rhythm, and his ending of the song, "Oh!" Well, that's enough for today. Oh! Be sure to like this video as well, since I like validation. And make sure you subscribe so I can see you all tomorrow as I continue the in-depth look at the top 10 musical characters in Zelda games. If you missed the list that I'm basing this on, or any other for that matter, the link to that playlist is over here. And while you're at that channel, subscribe there as well. I'll be doing more top 10s. See you tomorrow.